How to create a new project in Clipchamp. Open up Clipchamp, whether it's the app or the browser version. Once you are logged in, you will land on the dashboard, your Creative HQ headquarters. See that big purple button that says create a new video? Yup, give it a click. This opens up your editing workspace. It's like a digital playground for your clips. Time to bring in new content. Click Export Media to upload videos, images, or music from your computer, Google Drive, or even your phone. And here's the pro tip. You can also drag and drop files right into the window. Easy. Now, drag your clips onto the timeline at the bottom. This is where the magic happens. Cut, resize, trim, and rearrange everything just how you like. Need music or transition? Click the sidebar. Clipchamp has free sound check and effects ready to go. Once you are happy with your edit, hit export at the top right. Choose your resolution, and Clipchamp will process your video. Congrats! You just created your first project in Clipchamp. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tutorials.